Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Kafka on AWS MSK using IAM roles, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Amazon Managed Streaming for Apache Kafka, or MSK, service. Select the cluster you wish to authenticate with. Take note of the cluster's Amazon Resource Name, or ARN. Next, navigate to the IAM service in your AWS Management Console. Create a new IAM policy that will define permissions for Kafka. In the Policy Editor, choose the JSON tab. Add permission statements that allow actions such as Kafka, like Kafka describe cluster, and Kafka get bootstrap brokers. Attach the policy to the role that your application will assume. Now, switch to the Elasticsearch IAM roles section. Create a new role for AWS Service Access and select the type as AWS Service. Choose EC2 as the trusted entity to allow your EC2 instances to assume this role. Attach the previously created IAM policy to this role. Next, launch an EC2 instance if you haven't already. Ensure this instance has the IAM role attached during its setup. Once your EC2 instance is running, SSH into it. Install the required Kafka client tools if they are not already present. Next, configure your client to authenticate using IAM. Edit your Kafka client properties file. Set the security.protocol property to SASL_SSL. Add the SASL.mechanism and set it to AWS_MSK_IAM. Configure the appropriate IAM authentication settings. Make sure to include the necessary endpoints for your MSK cluster. Test the connection to your Kafka cluster using the appropriate Kafka command line tools. Run a simple producer and consumer application to ensure authentication is working. Monitor the logs for any error messages or authentication failures. Once confirmed, you can proceed to utilize Kafka for your application's needs. Congratulations, you have successfully authenticated with Kafka on AWS MSK using IAM roles. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.